Hello everyone, my name is Vadini. I'm assistant professor in RPIIT Karnal. Today we are going to learn about traversing and insertion operations on a single linked list. So, what is traversing first of all? Traversal of singly linked list is one of the fundamentals operation where we traverse or you can say visit each node of the linked list and how to traverse all the nodes of a singly linked list along with its implementation. We will discuss it today. The process of traversing singly linked list involves the printing of values of each node and then going to the next node and print that node value also, and so on until it got end. As it's written, traversing means visiting each node. So let's see how we will do its algorithm. What are the step-by-step algorithm? We will initialize a temporary pointer to the head of the node in the singly linked list. After that, we will check if that pointer is null or not. If it is null, then return back. Means you can write the empty list unless you can go ahead. Then while the pointer is not null, we will access and print the data of the current node. Means here you repeat the steps, that is 5 and 6, until the pointer is not null. If it is not null, we will access and print the data of the current node, then move to the next to next node. So means you need to print pointer. This is the sign where we assign it to the pointer. Data is assigned to the pointer. Here what we are doing, pointer equal to pointer next. As it got stopped, there is means there is no node available. Then we end of the loop and then exit. Let's discuss about the insertion of the linked list in the singly linked list at the beginning only first. So here we can insert the node in the starting, means in the beginning, in any specific location in between the linked list, and then in the end. So there are three ways we can insert the node in the linked list. So in this inserting a new element into a singly linked list at beginning is quite simple. We just need to make a few adjustments in the node links. So there are the steps which we need to follow order to insert a new node in the linked list in the beginning. Let's see. As this is the representation, so this is the new node. We put it as a pointer. Let's see the algorithm also here. Here, if the pointer is equal to null, again this is null, there is no linked list means ahead, that means it is overflow and you don't need to move ahead unless go to step 7. So you can step, if there is no need, then it's a overflow. Then set new node equal to pointer, we assign it a pointer in the new node. Then set pointer is equal to pointers next equal to head, and head equal to pointer. So what is head here? This is the new link which is in the pointers next equal to head, and head equal to pointer. So this is the old link which is signed with this node, but here we are cutting this link and we are putting this new link and then assigning this pointers next to the head. So let's see what is there in the algorithm. Then set pointer equal to pointers next, set new node data equal to val. We're putting in the value, and then set new nodes next equal to head, and then set head equal to new node. So this is the process which we need to follow while making a new node, or you can say inserting a new node in at the beginning of the linked list. Hope you like our video. Like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.